Hey, so you're looking for a way to flip your iPhone camera while recording? So here's a quick and easy trick to switch between the front and the back camera while recording on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone. So as you know, the iPhone doesn't have a built-in option to flip the camera while recording video. But don't worry, to make it work, download a free app from your app store. Search for timestamped camera. After find this app, just install it and open it up and go for a video. Now you will see your camera ready to go. Now on the top left corner, there's a flip icon. But before you start, adjust the video quality settings for sharper and smoother results. Now on the top left corner, you can notice there's a flip icon that lets you switch between the front and rear cameras instantly. And that's it. Now you can record freely, flip your camera anytime, and capture your best moment from every angle right on your iPhone. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.